SEBI, regulatory body for securities market in India, has recently intensified the action against market manipulation by taking strict action against several cases in 2025. Notably, SEBI barred Jane Street, an American proprietary trading firm headquartered in New York City. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, has passed an interim order against Jane Street Group and issued following directions towards interim ban and impounding of funds. The total amount of unlawful gains earned by the Jane Street Group from the alleged violations of INR 4,843 crore 57 lakh shall be impounded. Entities involved are directed to open escrow account in a scheduled commercial bank in India to deposit the aforesaid sum of money with a lien marked in favor of market regulator. Entities are restrained from accessing the Indian securities market and are further prohibited from buying, selling, or otherwise dealing in securities. Entities are further directed to provide a full inventory of all their assets in India, whether movable or immovable. Entities shall not dispose of or alienate any of their assets, properties in India. If the entities have any open positions in any exchange traded derivative contracts, as on the date of SEBI's interim order, they can square off such open positions within 3 months from the date of order or at the expiry of such contracts, whichever is earlier. Stock exchanges are directed to closely monitor any future dealings and positions of Jane Street Group on an ongoing basis. This is to ensure that entities do not indulge in any kind of manipulative activity till the completion of the investigation by SEBI. The entities may within 21 days from the date of receipt of this order file their reply or objections. The market regulator's investigation and detailed analysis of the trades revealed market manipulative strategies adopted by Jane Street. Jane Street allegedly adopted intra-day index manipulation and extended marking the close strategies on index expiry days. Jane Street, allegedly acting in concert with group entities, has influenced and manipulated the index level using adequate capital at their disposal. In summary, as per SEBI findings, Jane Street has not only taken opposite position in cash and option segments of the market, but also artificially controlled the stock prices movement for its benefit and misleading the other market participants. The data analyzed by the market regulator reveals that profits from index options alone accounted for over INR 43,289 crore, whereas losses in stock futures, index futures and cash cumulatively amount to INR 7,687 crore. These profits have been generated by allegedly misleading the retail investors. Jane Street has denied the allegations of market manipulation and will challenge the ban imposed by the Indian regulator. Jane Street states that trading strategies are legitimate and involve index arbitrage strategy. Jane Street can appeal to Securities Appellate Tribunal, challenging the SEBI interim order. We will discuss the observations by market regulator of alleged market manipulation practices adopted by the Jane Street in the upcoming videos, along with its impact on other market participants, especially the retail investors.